but that shit just gon' hang on my mind.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
Workout marathon, 5 days in. Today is Vlogmas Day 2.
Vlogmas Day 2, baby.
Good morning, everyone. What are you having for breakfast today? Share with the class.
I don't know if I want to share, but I'm having my beans.
I'm about to get a bowl of beans. Baked beans here are actually really good.
No one likes them. They're really good.
And the eggs are good actually. I like the eggs. Tay is getting Amanda a banana right now because they restocked.
White pants, they always still on them.
Good morning.
Today's a study day. I'm gonna do a quick workout upstairs and then let's get the study day started. Everybody meet Fred. Timothy is up in the curtains right now. My friend Rick put him up there, but Fred stays on the bed. Whoever comes in the room usually cuddles with him, but he is just the best. So I definitely want to read at some point today. I got 2 new books while I was in South Africa a little bit ago. I don't know which one I want to start first, but I definitely know that I want to start them.
The higher height you have, the more skill you have. It's a known fact.
I don't really think that's how that works.
That's a lot. You would say that because you're unskilled.
What number slider is this?
Yeah, we like now to put no one out here on the foot and we popping and be raising hell back in school. I was popping.
I could, but you could just use your eyesight and tell me what you see.
Right.
The one looks good. Like
Look
I just never.
On the machine tonight.
I want the time of my life. I'ma get loose tonight. Drop it like it's hot. We didn't go to church, but I got blessed. I work my ass off. Hey, let's get down.
Where are we?
We are in Union at our Red Sea meeting. And they just talked about the end of semester. We have 22 days at sea left.
I'm gonna cry.
Sad,
this is so sad.
Volleyball, we got George, Spencer, Fred, we're in your head. Mess with us, watch where you tread.
So the crew made some things for the auction. How talented are they? Perry's are over there. We love Perry. That one is really good. Our itinerary has changed so much, but they got this one right. This one has all of the ports. We just finished up our C meetings. Now it's dinner time. I am kind of full because I had 5 steak patties today. A girl can eat all day, every day.
You really fun dance party when you left.
I saw a video.
Today's cake of the day. Lemon. Oh, I don't want that. I don't want to cheers anymore. I don't want that. Yeah.
That's delicious.
Not gonna eat.
Wait. Better than.
That is good. Rick is showing his films tonight.
I'm showing all the short films I've made throughout the course of my life. You guys are all invited.
What are they about? What are they about?
They're about sad things most of the time.
Okay, I'm gonna link it down below. Go check out his YouTube channel.
Yes, thank you. Rick's really funny in 2 days.
Oh yeah.
There's like suck on the lemon. Okay, don't eat the whole thing. Bro, are you crazy? Possession.
Isn't it yummy?
What do you actually just ate?
It's a crazy world.
I don't think he liked it. Listen, he's about to go get seconds. I'm calling it right now. Yeah.
Why?
You're a fucking photographer. You take goddamn pictures.
Yeah, but it's hard with no one.
You don't need an extra You guys look so cute.
We thought we saw a whale. There is no whale. Everybody ran out. There's no whale, guys. We did see one this morning, actually. We saw a whale.
That shit just gon' hang on my mind.
So, it's study day, but we haven't actually done any studying. So we're about to go grind out some stuff.
Why are we studying and paying attention?
Because it's a study day.
But we never study on study days. This doesn't happen.
Today marks a change.
It's not good. You all left the meal at 6:30. Fred and I were scared.
The set behind her that you'll see, like me and my dad built in our garage. I bought miniature little spaceships and did like green screen stuff. Like it took a lot of time, and also the story is pretty close to me.
Gingerbread candle.
I already know it smells so good.
And then I got this little guy.
All right, the boys are dancing. What is this for, Mr. Sass?
No, it's for Tay's talent show.
So our friend is doing a talent show, and they're dancing to 24 Karat Magic. What is this special of the day? All right, face is cleansed.
Guys, it's our people.
Moisturizer on, contacts out, and retainers are in. Last step, wash.
Why is this the cutest thing you've ever seen?
I just had the best chat with my girlfriend Kaylee back at home. Gosh, I miss her so much, and it's always so good catching up with people, especially knowing that I'm gonna be going back to them and doing, you know, the rest of my college years with them. There was just so much to catch up on. I think that was probably like a 2-hour conversation, but your girl's tired. I've got a 8:30 a.m. class tomorrow, so I need to go to bed. And I'm gonna do that right now. Today was a productive study day, although we didn't really do much studying. There wasn't really anything to study for, so I still can't wrap my head around the fact that I decided to do Vlogmas. Like, maybe I'm crazy. Happy to be doing it for you guys. With that, I will see you in my next video. Have a fabulous rest of your day. Ciao.
Crackling wood